Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about sorry you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. So guys, if you are trying to send messages to unknown people on your Telegram account and you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, if you have tried to send messages to unknown people on your Telegram account and your account is reported from someone else, then you will be able to only send messages to your mutual contacts. So guys, here I will show you how can you get rid of this problem on your Telegram account. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open your browser and search here for Telegram support. So guys, here you can see this, and after this tap on Telegram support, and from here you will have to simply explain your problem in this box. So guys, simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have mistakenly sent the messages to unknown people through your Telegram account and you will not again send messages to unknown people from your Telegram account. So guys, simply explain your problem here, and after this give your email address and phone number which you are using on your Telegram account. So guys, after this the Telegram team will oversight this problem in your account, and after this they will fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, in this way your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send messages on Telegram account to everyone. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.